Hello there YouTube, here I am with another review on my, what is this, an iPod Touch 8 gig 4th generation. Here it is, the receipt. The total is with a guarantee of 2 years. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's $299.38. There it is, you go. Here it is. Okay. So now, none of that. Let's get to the iPod itself. Alright, here. See if you guys gotta see this. Okay, let's go. Ah, fuck. Alright, there we go. Go over there, Ali. Oh, it's my little brother. He just walked in. So, let me just wipe that off. Here's the item itself. You know, iPod Touch. Over there. Go over there, bro. So yeah, pre 8 gig, but the 8 gig. I don't know why. Okay, so let's see. Here we go. Fuck. Alright, I'm getting mad now. Oh my god. Alright, just, give me 1 second. I don't know if this is what I'm supposed to do. It's fucking shit, bro. Oh, I see the problem. It has a taped security here. For some bullshit. I didn't see it. Here, right here, I did not see that. So, yeah, you gotta take this off. What, bro? I'm not ready. Go over there. I don't got it. Here it is itself. Fucking beautiful. Look at this one. I'll put this right here. Comes with some manual. You know, USB cable for music, any other pictures and all that. Some Apple earphones. So you guys don't care about this. Fuck this shit, even though it's useful. Let's get down to the item itself. Fucking good. Fucking here. You pull this back. Here you go. This is the, you know, the main menu for, but you guys don't want this. So you just take it off. Just like that. Oh, wow. Really slim. Look at this. Really slim here. Here's the camera. And the camera on the back. See, iPod. Here, that's me. Look at me. 8 gig one. Yeah, it's pretty, you know, good weight. Yeah. Very slim. So see this here. Just turn it on. You press the button on top. Turns on. I'll be posting up a video later on how to you know, put the music and all that on this and all that, you know. Alright, let's just wait. Let's just wait till this is done. And you know, let's just unbox this real quick. Well, unopened, you know. It's just normal headsets, right, left, and all that, whatever. What is going on here? Alright, cancel. Or so whatever, you know, it gives you this screen, whatever you do that. So just leave this here. Let me just show you guys this. This is the normal cable for USB port only, not that other kind of whatever it is. And you know, your manual. Let me just like oh yeah, the stickers. I forgot stickers. I have it on my other iPod Touch, but you know, whatever, you know, whatever. English words. Let me see. Yeah, English only on this paper. Here, for you know, any information, they have numbers here for you can call whatever your language is. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.